Okay, sleep is so very important. Question is there a way you can improve your memory while you're sleeping? So if you have an important exam coming up, important meeting, yes, you can, and it has to do with the color pink. What am I talking about? You all have heard of white noise, right? You put that fan on while you sleep, maybe the air conditioning, but have you heard of pink noise? So this is a noise that has more ups and downs. For instance, waves crashing on a beach, the sound of a breeze blowing through wind chimes, just enough variation that actually keeps your brain from getting used to them and ignoring them. Well, a new study followed 13 adults ages 16 and older. Granted, it's only 13 people, but they spent 2 nights in a sleep lab. They gave them a memory test each morning. On the night the participants listened to that pink noise, they performed better on the memory test. And you know, there are a lot of apps out there, Drew, where you can download these pink noises.
Running streams, gentle rolling waves.
Rainstorm with thunder.
Yes.
Hey, try this and just see. Maybe you'll remember stuff the next morning a little bit better.
All right, good show. We had a few laughs.
Cheers, buddy. Cheers. Cheers to all of you. Thanks for watching at home. Visit us at thedoctorstv.com if you missed anything.